Torta Pasqualina, a traditional Ligurian savory pie. Let's make it together. Prepare the dough by kneading flour, a pinch of salt, water, and olive oil in a large bowl. Work on the pastry board until you get a smooth dough. Divide it into 4 parts. Let it rest for 1 hour. Cover with a damp cloth. Chop the boiled and squeezed spinach into a bowl. Season with salt, pepper, 2 eggs, and 50 grams of grated cheese. Mix everything and set aside. In another bowl, pour 500 grams of cow's milk ricotta, 3 eggs, fine salt, nutmeg, and 100 grams of grated cheese. Combine everything and refrigerate until ready to use. Brush a springform pan with olive oil. Roll out the dough so that it generously overflows from the edges. Place the first layer in the pan, brush the surface with extra virgin olive oil, and place the second layer. Now pour the spinach into the mold, level it. Add the ricotta mixture. Level with a spoon and then create 7 small wells. Fill them with 7 egg yolks. Beat the egg whites kept aside and pour them all over the cake. Cover with the other 2 rolled out pastry layers, as you did before. Trim the excess and create a crust. Brush the entire surface with extra virgin olive oil. Bake in the lower part of the oven at 180°C static for about 60 minutes preheated oven. Allow it to cool well before cutting. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.